Hey Crunchified Clean friends, want to see how easy it is to mop a large space with several mop pads and a flat mop? I'm going to show you. I got a bucket with my thieves cleaner in it. This is a large space that I'm going to be mopping, so I find it easier to just dunk my mop pads in the water, wring them out, put them on my mop pad, and start mopping. I have a whole bunch of mop pads from Microfiber Wholesale. Thick, long mop pads that I am going to pre-wet. Grab your mop pad, put it in your mop water solution, wring it out, and then drop it on the floor. Grab your flat mop. I like to have it super high so I don't have to be hunched over. Put it on the mop pad and go. That will be the dirty mop pad. Take it off, throw it in a wet bag, and then bring it home to wash, dry, and reuse. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, comment below. Or if you have any questions, comment below. I would love to hear from you and love to share more eco-oily cleaning tips. So don't forget, like, subscribe, love, share, follow along. I'm on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Clapper, and YouTube, and my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. See you soon. Stay crunchified clean. Peace.